Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset a Township tail server. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to reset your server on Township tail. As you can see guys, the title is Full Server Reset Guide, Oculus Quest 2. Hello, there isn't much info about this subject, and upon researching via Reddit, I've concluded nobody knows how to fully reset their server. So I've come to save the day, or at least try to help. These are steps necessary to run a server reset, per my own success 3 times. So the first step is launch Township Tail. Be on your server, actively sitting there, have someone else wear the VR or keep it on your forehead if you can. Log into your TT account at dash.township.com. Smaller PSA, keep an eye out for it. The dev either switch HTTPs to secure login data. The switch may change the working URL. Then select servers on the left side. Locate your server's name and select it. You should now be viewing the control panel for your server. The fourth step is locate the default 3 server modules, central screen, server info, command runner, and player list. Your username must be shown in the list. Command runner is one you want. Use the text box and type in save full wipe.hit. Hit enter to launch nukes. Then if it works, the word true should appear below the input line and you will be ejected from your server. Back to the menu area, you may return right away and you will be at the original server spawn. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.